Discussing the third unit, and we are going to the conclusion of the story after 20 years, which is written by O. Henry. It
Oh,
is
Henry.
it is an interesting story we are studying throughout this discussion.
Yes,
Hala. Finally, they both met, but they didn't recognize to each other. Actually, that policeman was able to recognize that person. Kaku, see, criminal ku chini partla that he was his friend, and he was none other than Bob Bujela. Uh,
again, sir.
Sitlatar Sango. So, what is here in the third unit? Writers often give an unexpected twist to their stories to surprise the readers. Does Saki do the same? So, the story is full of suspense and surprise. And throughout the discussion, we came to know about it, and it was the contribution of the writer O. Henry. ତାଙ୍କର ଅବଦାନ ଏହା ଯେ ଗୋଟେ ଟ୍ୱିଷ୍ଟ ଥିବା ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟୋରି ସେ ଆମର ରିଡରମାନଙ୍କୁ ଏଠି ଶୁଣାଉଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ଷ୍ଟୋରି it's very interesting and it is also full of surprise and suspense till the end of the story bujhela. So what is
Again,
there?
sir.
The wind was growing more chilly. In the previous we discussed that the policeman and that criminal was in conversation, but that criminal was not able to recognize that policeman who was Jimmy ବୁଝିଲା ବା ଜିମ୍ ୱେଲ୍ସ ଯେଥିଲା ବୁଝିଲା ତାକୁ ଚିହ୍ନି ପାରିନଥିଲା
Again,
କିନ୍ତୁ on the other hand Jimmy Wells, who was the policeman, he was able to recognize his friend, but he didn't say anything in detail. Se kichi କହିଲେ ନାହିଁ, just he was in conversation to get everything in detail from that person only. ବୁଝିଲା କେବଳ details collect କରିବା ପାଇଁ ତା ସହିତ conversation ରେ ଥିଲେ, and he didn't reveal himself. ସେ ନିଜକୁ reveal କଲେ ନାହିଁ. ବୁଝିଲା? And
again, sir.
so the wind was growing more chilly. ଆହୁରି ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ପବନ ବହୁଥିଲା ଆଉ ଥଣ୍ଡା ପବନ ବହୁଥିଲା, and the drizzle was thickening. ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଝିପିଝିପି ବର୍ଷା ହେଉଥିଲା ଆଉ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଆର ସ୍ପିଡ଼ଟା ବୃଦ୍ଧି ପାଉଥିଲା କାର ଦ ରେନ୍ ବୁଝିହେଲା. So the
Again,
few people who were out quickened their steps, and few people were there on the street, and they started moving to their houses or to their destination. ତାଙ୍କର ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ସ୍ଥଳକୁ ଯିଏ ଯାହାର ଯାଉଥିଲେ in the rainy night ବୁଝିହେଲା. And what was
again,
happening at that time? Their coat collars turned off and hands pocketed. ଏତେ ଥଣ୍ଡା ଲାଗୁଥିଲା ସେମାନଙ୍କର କ'ଣ ହେଲା କୋଟ୍କୁ ସେମାନେ ଉପରକୁ କରିଦେଇଥିଲେ କଲର୍ ତାର କଲର୍ କୋଟ୍ର କଲର୍ ଥାଏ ତାକୁ ଉପରକୁ କରିଦେଇଥିଲେ ବିକଜ୍ ଦେ ଅଲ୍ ୱେର୍ ଫିଲିଂ କୋଲ୍ଡ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଦେ ଅଲସୋ they did their hands pocketed. ପକେଟ୍ ଭିତରେ ହାତ ମାରିକରି ସମସ୍ତେ ଯିବା ଆସିବା କରୁଥିଲେ. ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଆମେ କହିପାରିବା it was a chilly night and there was full of drizzle ହେଲା, and it was time to time thickening ବୋଲେ ଜୋର ଜୋରରେ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ଲାଗୁଥିଲା ବୁଝିହେଲା ବର୍ଷାଟା. And near the door of the hardware store, the man who had come 1,000 miles to fill an appointment with the friend of his youth, smoked his cigar and waited. As I told you in the beginning or in the middle of the discussion in the previous class, I told you that Jimmy Wells, who was the policeman, recognized his friend. ତାର ସାଙ୍ଗକୁ ସେ ଚିହ୍ନି ପାରିଥିଲେ କେତେବେଳେ when his friend or that criminal lit off the cigar at the cigar store ପାଖରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଲାଇଟର ଜଳେଇଲା ତାର ମାଚିସ୍ ଜଳେଇଲା ସେତେବେଳେ ସେ ତାର ମୁହଁଟିକୁ ଦେଖିକି ଜାଣିପାରିଥିଲେ he was his friend and he was none other than Bob. ସେ policeman ସେତେବେଳେ ଜାଣିପାରିଥିଲେ ଯେ ସେ ହେଉଛି ତାର ସାଙ୍ଗ ବୁଝିହେଲା.
again, sir.
So next what happened? So he told that he was standing at the hardware store to meet his friend after a long time, and it was 20 years after. ଏଇଟା ହେଉଥିଲା ପାଖାପାଖି 20 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ତାଙ୍କର ମିଟ୍ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଉଥିଲା. So it was just an appointment which was fixed before 20 years. 20 ବର୍ଷ ପୂର୍ବେ ଏହା ଫିକ୍ସ ହେଇଥିଲା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି. And with the friend of his youth, ଯେ ତାଙ୍କର ଯୁବକ ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ଗୋଟେ ସାଙ୍ଗ ଥିଲା, smoked his cigar and waited. ଆଉ ଥରେ ସେ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିବା ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କଲେ by smoking his cigar ବୁଝିହେଲା ତାଙ୍କର ସିଗାରେଟ୍ ଜଳେଇ କରି ବୁଝିହେଲା. So about 20 minutes he waited, more than 20 minutes he waited, ପାଖାପାଖି 20 minutes ସେ wait କଲେ. And then a tall man in a long overcoat with collar turned up to his ears. ତାପରେ ଆଉ ଜଣେ ଲୋକ, another person was coming from the opposite direction of that person or that criminal. ସେଇ କ୍ରିମିନାଲର ଅପୋଜିଟ୍ ଦିଗରୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ଆସୁଥିଲେ ଡେଙ୍ଗା ହେଇକିରି ଲୋକ, and who was wrapped with a long overcoat. ଯିଏ ଗୋଟେ ବଡ଼ ଲମ୍ବା ଓଭରକୋଟ୍ ଗୋଟେ ପିନ୍ଧିକରି ସେ ଆସୁଥିଲେ, with collar turned up to his ear. କାନ ଯାଏଁ ଘୋଡ଼ା ହେଇଥିଲା ସେଇ କଲାରଟି ତାଙ୍କର କୋଟ୍ର. Hurried across from the opposite side of the street. He went directly to the waiting man. And देखो इन द प्रीवियस आई टोल्ड यू दैट द कन्वर्सेशन वाज डन बिटवीन द पुलिस एंड द क्रिमिनल तांको भीतर कथाबार्ता सरीथिला एंड द पुलिसमैन डिपार्टेड फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस बुझियला आफ्टर द कन्वर्सेशन ही लेफ्ट दैट प्लेस से पुलिसमैन से जगह छाड़ देकी पळैथिला एंड ही सेड गुड नाइट कहि कर तार सांग को से पळैथिला हला एंड आफ्टर दैट व्हाट हैपेंड वी आर डिस्कसिंग टुडे जा तापर जहा कोन होची आमे से विषय पढुचे वर्तमान सो अबाउट 20 मिनिट्स ही वेटेड पाखापाखि 20 मिनिट आउरी से अपेक्षा कला देन ए टॉल मैन इन ए लॉन्ग ओवरकोट गोटे आसिला गोटे लंबा कोट धारण करथिबा गोटे व्यक्ति तार कान को घोड़े घोड़े आसिला फ्रॉम ए अपोजिट डायरेक्शन एंड ही वेंट डायरेक्टली टू द वेटिंग मैन से कहा पाक गला से क्रिमिनल पाक को जे अपेक्षा करता तार सांग को इज दैट यू बव हला is that you bob another person came not that policeman another assistant of that policeman came बुझिला तार आउ जने सांगो आसिला असिस्टेंट आसिला से पुलिसमैन रो is that you bob तमे की bob बोलिगर से पचरला he asked doubtfully संदेहात्मक भाव रे
हाँ सर
then the reply came from the person named bob थारो रिप्लाई आसला is that jimmy wells तमे कोन jimmy wells की अबे जानि परले हमें जिमी वेल्स होची तार सांग थिला बुझिला सो इट वाज yes it was an emotional movement at that time गोटे इमोशनल मोमेंट आस्तेला एंड दैट क्रिमिनल और whose name was bob cried हला से लोकोटी कांदिला डोर पाखरे because he met his friend after a long time and it was not that much simpler task to wait more than 20 minutes or more than 1 hour पाखापाखि घंटे 1.5 घंटा गोटे अननोन जगह रे बा गोटे ये माने गोटे जगह रहिबा क्राइड द मैन नियर द डोर ब्लेस माय हार्ट मोर भाग्य को से तार भाग्य को आदरी कर बहुत खुशी होचंती एक्सक्लेम दैट न्यू अराइवल ग्रास्पिंग बोथ द अदर्स हैंड्स विथ हिज आउन परस्पर परस्पर हाथ रे धरा धरी हेले इट्स बॉब श्योर एज फेट तमे बॉब हेतिबो निश्चित भाबे भगवान दयारु वी मेट आफ्टर ए लॉन्ग टाइम बहुत दिन पर हम भेटले दैट वाज द कन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन दोस टू अननोन पर्सन्स बुझिला देखो बॉब डिडंट रिकॉग्नाइज हिज फ्रेंड तार से चिन्हि नथिला ए पर्यंत बुझिला सो व्हाट एवर वाज हैपनिंग इन द डार्कनेस अंधार रे ही चलतिला तार मुंह को से पर्यंत देखि नै के बॉब देखि पार नै जिमी वेल्स को आई वाज सर्टेन आई वुड फाइंड यू हियर मु स्थिर थिली बा मु सुनिश्चित थिली के कहूची बॉब वाज टेलिंग समथिंग टू दैट अननोन पर्सन बुझिला आई वाज सर्टेन आई वुड फाइंड यू हियर मु जानी थिली मु तुमको भेटिबी इफ यू आर स्टिल इन एग्जिस्टेंस जदि तुमे अछो ए पृथ्वी रे वेल 20 ईयर इज अ लॉन्ग टाइम 20 ईयर होची गोटे सामान्य टाइम नो या होची बहुत वर्ष द ओल्ड रेस्टोरेंट इज गॉन जो पुराना रेस्टोरेंट थिला से आउ नाही इट हैज बीन वैनिश्ड हां आई विश इट हैड लास्टेड बोधवे ये थांता किंतु सो दैट वी कुड हैव हैड अनदर डिनर जदी थांता इठी वी कुड हैव हैड अनदर डिनर देयर आउ गोटे डिनर हम करथांते टुडे बोलिकर से कहउचंती हाउ हैज द वेस्ट ट्रीटेड यू के पचरला द ओल्ड मैन asked बुझेला के पचरची दैट पुलिसमैन हु वाज एन अननोन बुझेला he was asking to the criminal how has the west treated you तुमको केमती west जोटी तुम गलो to find your career to find make your career and to find your fortune how did you do there तुम कौन केमती कलो and how it treated you तुमको से किभली भाव रे तुमरो सत्कार करला बोली कर से पचारचुंदे nothing to complain मो पाखरे I don't have any kind of complain for my place मोर प्लेस पे किसी कंप्लेन नहीं because it has given me everything मते सब किसी देची I ask मु जुटा मागिची मु जुटा चाहिची I got from the place बा से जगह पाइची you have changed a lot Jimmy के पछ कहला Bob said to Jimmy but he was not Jimmy बुझिला कि नहीं he mistook him as Jimmy बोली कर भाबुतिला सेते बेले एंड ताको भूल
जिमी नथिला यार
no he was not Jimmy the first person who came जो फर्स्ट पर्सन जे थिला he was Jimmy
हां सर जे फास्ट थिला
yes another person came actually Jimmy said one of his friend बा assistant तार संग आउ जने असिस्टेंट थिला सहयोगी से दिन सेम ड्यूटी करथला ता सहित he said everything in detail and it was a trap to catch that criminal एटा गोटे ट्रैप थिला but as a friend it was too difficult task on the part of the person named Jimmy Wells to catch his closest friend तार सांग को धरिवाटा एते सहज नथिला because he was too much emotional बुझिला and he didn't do so and his consciousness was not permitting him to do so बुझिला तार विवेक ताको बाधा देउतला से जिंस कर नाही बोली करी and he went to his assistant and he said it that you do it माने you arrest him तमे अरेस्ट करो मु करि परबी नाही बोली करी कहला and he also explained everything in detail that it was a relationship before 20 years, and he had promised to come once again after 20 once actually he had promised me to come after 20 years. ବୁଝିଲା କି ନା ସେ ମୋତେ କହିଥିଲା,
ଆଜ୍ଞା
and
sir।
he was the criminal as per the statement given by the authority. ଇଏ ହେଉଛି ଆମର ଆଜିର କିଏ, ସେ ହେଉଛି ଆଜିର ଆମର ଅପରାଧୀ, କ୍ରିମିନାଲ, ତାକୁ ଆମକୁ ଧରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ, ବଟ୍ ଆଇ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ନଟ୍ ଡୁ ସୋ, ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ୟୋର୍ ଡ୍ୟୁଟି, ୟୁ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଡୁ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ବୋଲିକରି ସେ ତାକୁ ପଠାଇଲେ ଅଲଗା ଲୋକକୁ। ବୁଝିଲା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir।
But so far the person Bob was not able to recognize his friend Jimmy Wells. Jimmy Wells के पର୍ଯ୍यନ୍ତ ଚିହ୍ନି ନାହିଁ, ବଟ୍ ତାକୁ ମାନେ ତାର ହାତ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡସେକ୍ ଫ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡସେକ୍ କରିକି ତା ସହିତ କାନ୍ଧରେ କାନ୍ଧ ମିଶିବା ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କଲାଣି ସିଏ। ବୁଝିଲା। ଆଣ୍ଡ there was a conversation between two, ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କନଭରସେସନ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଇଯାଇଛି, ବଟ୍ ଇଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ଦ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ପର୍ସନ୍ ହୁ କେମ୍। ବୁଝିଲା। ଏଇଟା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜଣେ, ପ୍ରଥମ ଯିଏ ଆସିଥିଲା ସେ ଥିଲା ଜିମି ୱେଲ୍ସ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଜିମି ୱେଲ୍ସ ତାର ପରିଚୟ ତାକୁ ଦେଲା ନାହିଁ, ମାତ୍ର ସେ ଜାଣିପାରିଲା ଯେ ସେ ବବ୍ ସହିତ କଥା ହେଉଛି। ବୁଝିହେଲା। we should never forget it. Yes. So now nothing to complain, it has given me everything I asked for. ମୁଁ ଯାହା ମାଗିଛି ମୋତେ ଆଜି ମୋତେ ସବୁ ଦେଇଛି, ସେ ଭାଗ୍ୟ ମୋତେ ସବୁ ଦେଇଛି। but he said କିଏ, Bob said to his friend Jimmy, but he was not Jimmy, but what he said to Jimmy, ଜିମି କୁ କ'ଣ କହିଲା, you have changed a lot Jimmy, you look taller by 8 or 10 centimeters, ତମେ 8 ରୁ 10 ସେଣ୍ଟିମିଟର ବଡ଼ ଦେଖାଯାଉଛ, ଡେଙ୍ଗା ଦେଖାଯାଉଛ ବୋଲି କହିଲା। but he was not able to he was not able to see his face, ତାର ସାଙ୍ଗର ଫେସ୍ କୁ ସେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଦେଖି ନାହିଁ, କିଏ, ବବ୍।
ବବ୍, ହଁ sir।
only he was watching the outfit of his friend, କେବଳ ଆଉଟଫିଟଟା ଦେଖୁଛି। doing well in New York Jimmy, are you doing well in New York? ଜିମିକୁ ପଚାରୁଛି ତମେ କ'ଣ ନ୍ୟୁୟର୍କରେ ଭଲରେ ସବୁ ଅଛି, ସବୁ ଠିକ୍ ଠାକ୍ ଚାଲିଛି ବୋଲିକି ପଚାରୁଛି, କିଏ, ବବ୍ ପଚାରୁଛି ଜିମିକୁ। not so bad, ସେ କହିଲା ନାଇଁ ଏତେ ଖରାପ ବି ନୁହଁ, I work in a departmental store as an assistant manager, ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ଷ୍ଟୋରରେ ଆସିଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ଭାବରେ କାମ କରୁଛି। good pay and other benefits, I have all the facilities, it is provided by the departmental store and I am working as an assistant manager, ମୁଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କାମ କରୁଛି ଆସିଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ଭାବରେ, and it is sufficient for me and not bad for me, ଏତେ ଖରାପ ବି ନୁହଁ, ମୁଁ ଭଲ ପରିସ୍ଥିତିରେ ଅଛି ବୋଲିକରି he said to the person named Bob। ବୁଝିହେଲା। come on, no, the next sentence, come on Bob, we will go round to a place I know of and have a good long talk about old times. So Bob invited his friend to whom he mistook as Jimmy Wells, ଯାହାକୁ ସେ ଜିମି ୱେଲ୍ସ ବୋଲିକରି ଭାବୁଥିଲା। he offered him to go to another place at where they could talk each other and they would talk about their past times, ଅତୀତର କଥା ବିଷୟରେ କଥା ହେବେ ବୋଲିକରି ଆଉ ଥରେ ଟାଇମ୍ ଟିକେ ସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ କରିବା ବୋଲିକରି he requested and he offered to his friend Jimmy Wells to whom he mistook as Jimmy Wells, ଯାହାକୁ ସିଏ ଭୁଲରେ ଭାବି ନେଇଥିଲା ଜିମି ୱେଲ୍ସ ବୋଲିକରି ତାର ସହିତ ସେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା କଲା, ଚାଲ ଆମେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାକୁ ଯିବା, ସେଠି ବସିକରି ସାଙ୍ଗ ହେଇକରି କଥା ହେବା। ବୁଝିହେଲା। so next sentence, the two men started off the streets arm in arm, କାନ୍ଧରେ କାନ୍ଧ ମିଶେଇକରି they started walking on the street। ବୁଝିହେଲା। the men from the men from the west somewhat puffed, you can write the meaning of puff, puff, puff ରୁ puffed ହେଇଛି। the meaning of puff is feeling proud, ମାନେ ଗର୍ବ ଅନୁଭବ କରିବା, which is mentioned here in the next page, you can write it down here। ବୁଝିହେଲା। so feeling, ହଁ, puffed by success somewhat, ମାନେ ସେ କ'ଣ କହୁଛି, the two men started off the streets arm in arm, କାନ୍ଧରେ କାନ୍ଧ ମିଶିକରି ସେମାନେ ଚାଲିବାକୁ ଲାଗିଲେ। the men from the west somewhat puffed off by success, ଯିଏ ୱେଷ୍ଟ କୁ ଯାଇଥିଲା ବବ୍। ବୁଝିହେଲା। he had all kind of success, ତା ପାଖରେ ସମସ୍ତ ପ୍ରକାରର ସଫଳତା ଥିଲା, and was talking of his positions, ତାର ଅଧିକାର, ତାର yearning ବିଷୟରେ, was telling everything in detail to his friend Jimmy Wells, to whom he mistook as Jimmy Wells, ଯାହାକୁ ସେ ଜିମି ୱେଲ୍ସ ବୋଲି ଭାବି ନେଇଥିଲା, but in real he was not Jimmy Wells and still he was not able to see the face of his friend Jimmy Wells। ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗ ସହିତ କଥା ହେଉଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ସାଙ୍ଗର ଫେସ୍ ଦେଖି ନାହିଁ, କାହିଁକି ଜାଣିପାରି ନାହିଁ ସିଏ ଯେ ଜିମି ୱେଲ୍ସ ବୋଲିକିରି। ବୁଝିହେଲା। so and of his important friends in Chicago and elsewhere, ସେ କ'ଣ କହିଲା, I have earned a lot of money, about dollars, and it gave me a lot and I have different friends, ମୋ ପାଖରେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ସାଙ୍ଗ ଅଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲିକରି କହୁଛନ୍ତି in Chicago। କିଏ କହୁଛି, Bob was telling, କାହାକୁ, so ଚିକାଗୋ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଅଲ୍ ମୋର ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଜାଗାରେ ବହୁତ ପ୍ରକାର ସାଙ୍ଗ ହେଇଯାଇଛନ୍ତି, ମୋ ପାଖରେ ବହୁତ ପ୍ରକାର ଅଧିକାର ପଳେଇ ଆସିଛି, ଆଣ୍ଡ ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣଡ ନେମ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଫେମ୍, ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ଇୟର୍ଣ୍ଣଡ ନେମ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଫେମ୍, ମୋର ପାଖରେ ସବୁ ଅଛି, ଆଜି ନାମ ଅଛି, ଟଙ୍କା ଅଛି, ପଇସା ଅଛି, ସବୁ କଥା କହୁଛି ସିଏ। ସୋ ଦ ଅଦର କଭର୍ଡ ୱିଥ୍ ହିଜ୍ ଓଭରକୋଟ୍, ଅନ୍ ଦ ଅଦର ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ another person who was standing before him, ଯାହା ସହିତ ସେ କଥା ହେଉଥିଲା, ସେ କ'ଣ निजगु लुचे ही ट्राइड टू हिड हिमसेल्फ एक्चुअली बुझीला एंड ही डिडंट वांट टू शो हिज फेस प्रॉपर्ली भलो भाव से तार फेस देखा चाहू नथिला एंड ही वाज wrapped with his overcoat गोटे लंबा कोट माध्यम रे से निजगु घोड़े रखिथिला एंड वाज लिसनिंग with rapt attention deep attention रे से सुनुतला द मीनिंग ऑफ rapt बोले गभीर ध्यान देकर सुनुतला काठो द पर्सन बॉब बुझियला
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir
the देखो to whom Bob met with at first जाको से भेटला he was Jimmy Wells the person who came secondly he was not Jimmy Wells actually he was the assistant of Jimmy Wells and he came on behalf of Jimmy Wells to arrest him because they recognized that he was the criminal who printed duplicate notes बुझियला जे duplicate note तार नारे he was in the most wanted list of police department बुझियला पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट गोटे मोस्ट वांटेड लिस्ट थिला से गोटे अपराधी थिला ताको धरिया पय विभिन्न प्रकार प्रचेष्टा करा जायतिला एंड इट वाज ए परफेक्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू कैच हिम बुझियला बट एज ए फ्रेंड जिमी वेल्स couldn't do so and he sent one of his army by one of his assistant to catch his friend who was the criminal जे थिला criminal so they had not yet taken a good look at each other's face just I told you mu तुमको कहउतली जे they didn't have any kind of हम कहबा there was no face to face contact बुझियला तांको भीतर फेस टू फेस कांटेक्ट आउ हेइ नथिला जा तोरा चिन्ही पार नथिला कि बॉब सही पुलिस ऑफिसर को बुझियला बट दे स्टिल वेर टॉकिंग से माने ए पर्यंत कथा होतले बुझिला इट डिडंट स्टॉप सो इन द नेक्स्ट लाइन दे नियर्ड a medicine store lit brilliantly and when they moved to a medicine store there was light बुझिला सेठी लाइट थिला एंड इट lit brilliantly बहुत भलो भाबे उज्जवल थिला with electric lights बुझिला
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir
से they both were there दिजन जाको सेठी थिले there each of them turned simultaneously to gaze at others face दिजन जाको परस्पर परस्परंकर फेस को देखिबा पई इच्छुक हेले बुझिला simultaneously बोले एक संगरे बा एक मात्रा रे बुझिला
हां एतो हां sir
in the next the man from the west stopped suddenly and let go the other's arm जने बॉब कौन कला जो वेस्ट बोली आम कहूँ ही इज द पर्सन नेम्ड बॉब स्टॉप्ड सडनली व्हेन ही केम इन द लाइट जिते आसला से रहीगला एंड ही थॉट टू सी द फेस ऑफ दैट पर्सन हु वाज टॉकिंग विथ हिम जे ता सहित कथा होतला से ताकू देखिबा लागिला सो जेते देखिबा लागिला कौन कला लेट गो द अदर्स आर्म तार हाथ माने कांधरू कांध काढ़ी देला then he said to that person कि बॉब कहूँ you are not Jimmy Wells तुम तो Jimmy Wells नुह he faltered you can write the meaning of falter the past tense of falter is faltered झुंटी बा बुझियला बा
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir
so 20 years is a long time but not long enough to change a man's sharp nose to a flat one so soon he recognized that he was not Jimmy Wells बुझियला बॉब ताकू संगे संगे जानि देला you cannot be Jimmy Wells तो मैं केबे भी Jimmy Wells सही पारिबो नाही 20 years is a long time I know that मु जानु छी या 20 वर्ष गोटे साधारण टाइम नुह बा गोटे अल्प समय नुह किंतु but not long enough to change a man's sharp nose a man's sharp nose cannot be converted into flat one
20 years
बुझियला गोटे मुनिया नाको केबे भी गोटे चेप्टा नाको रे परिणत होई पारिबोनी in these 20 years बुझियला you cannot cheat me who said Bob said to the friend बुझियला who was not his friend actually हला so if sometime changes a good man into a bad one said the tall man से डेंगा ही लोकोटी जी आसीथिला से कोन कहूची if sometimes changes a good man into a bad one केते बेले भलो लोक गोटे खराब भी हे जाई थाई पारे so sometimes it changes किछि किछि चेंज हेई थाई you have been under arrest for 10 minutes Bob तमे 20 मिनिट पाई अरेस्ट होचो 20 मिनिट भितर तुम अरेस्ट होचो और व्हाट एवर योर नेम इज बॉब हो जा हो तुम नेम बट यू आर गोइंग टू बी अरेस्टेड तुम जल्दी अरेस्ट होचो बोली करी कहला के दैट टॉलर मैन सेड टू दैट द कमिश्नर ऑफ पुलिस Chicago longs to have a chat with you in connection with some bundles of $5 notes हैला पुलिस कमिश्नर ऑफ चिकागो wants to talk to you and the chat with you तुम सहित कथा हेबा पई से चाहउछंती because you have a link with some bundles of $5 notes तुम जो $5 notes तो बंडल अच्छी से बंडल कनेक्शन रे तुम सहित कथा हेबा पई चाहउछंती कि कमिश्नर ऑफ पुलिस दैट वाज हिज आमे कहि परिबा दैट वाज द से तार भूल करथला तार क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटीज थिला एटा ही यूज्ड टू प्रिंट डुप्लीकेट मनी एंड ही वाज इन द मोस्ट वांटेड लिस्ट ऑफ पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट और मोस्ट वांटेड लिस्ट थिला आ ताको अरेस्ट करबा पय इट वाज जस्ट अ ट्रैप टू अरेस्ट हिम बुझियला बट बॉब डिडंट नो अबाउट द डिटेल्स से विषय जानि नथला व्हिच हैव कम हिज वे कम क्वाइटली शांतरे रुहो शांतरे चली के रस प्लीज and no tricks who said that tall man said to bob को कहला कौन से प्रकार होशियारी करो नहीं just come quietly शांत भाव रे आसो before we go to the station police station जीवा पूर्व शांत आसो here is a note for you तुम पाई गोटे किछि नोट देचंती मोरो ऊपर ऑफिसर I was asked to give you मते कुआ जितला एटा तुमको देवा पाई and it's from assistant sub inspector Jimmy Wells एटा से नोट लिखिथिले के Jimmy Wells बुझियला as I told you Jimmy Wells sent one of his assistant near Bob who was standing at the hardware store and he was waiting for his friend that night बुझेला से रात्रि जे अपेक्षा करथिला ता पई ए नोट टी लिखिथिले के सब इंस्पेक्टर जिमी वेल्स बुझेला so the man from the west unfolded the little piece of paper and handed to him बुझेला तापर से लोकोटी कोन कला अनफोल्ड करला लिटिल पीस ऑफ पेपर हैंडेड टू हिम ताकू दिया जाइतो से पेपर टी खोली लिया हिज हैंड वाज स्टेडी तार हाथ पूरा स्थिर हो जाइतिला बुझेला एंड ही वाज मोशनिंग फॉर साइलेंस टू रीड दैट टेक्स्ट व्हाट वाज रिटन देयर इन द लेटर से लेटर जहाँ लिखा था से पढ़ुला से नोट रे व्हेन ही बिगिन टू रीड बट इट ट्रेम्बल्ड अ लिटिल जेतेबेले से पढ़िबा को लागिला his hands started trembling a little टिके थरिबा को लागिला by the time he had finished जेतेबेले से सरै सरला तार पढ़ा बुझियला the note was rather short it was too short written by Jimmy Wells द्वारा लिखा जाइतिबा किछि लेटर टी बहुत संक्षेप पर लिखा आइतला and what was written by Jimmy Wells to his friend Bob who came after a long time and we knew that it was 20 years it was 20 years so it was what happened in the next and what was something written by the person and what was there in the letter se चिट्ठी रे कोन थिला Bob I was at the appointed place on time when you struck the match to light your cigar I saw it was the face of the man wanted in Chicago mu कहली that Jimmy Wells recognized his friend Bob when he lit off his cigar at the cigarette store से cigarette store जेतेबेले से लाइट जळेला माचिस जळेला सिगरेट लगेवा पाई the person Jimmy Wells who was standing there and was talking to him recognized him से सेची ताकू चिन्हि देइथिला I saw it was the face of the man wanted in Chicago सेतेबेले मु तमर फेस देखि कर जान देइथिली you are the person who is being searched to whom the department was searching from a long time जाको डिपार्टमेंट खोजु थिला बुझियला somehow I couldn't do it myself मु या करि पारिल नै because something it stopped me to do so I was not able to arrest you that is why मु सेति पय तुमको अरेस्ट करि पारले नै because something it changed my mind मोर किछि जिंस मोर माइंड चेंज कर देला सेति पय मु आउ से जिंस करि पारले नै and I went around and got a plain clothes policeman to do the job but आउ जन को पठैली मोर बदल रे to arrest you so that was something written by the friend Jimmy Wells to Bob बुझियला so in this way the topic is ended and he was arrested by the police department who was in most wanted list बुझियला
again sir